Hello everyone, Aaron here with Leah. We're touching up the front of our house. There's an area where we have an area that we can grow flowers and lay a little mulch down, and today we're going to show you how to apply mulch to freshen up for spring. In this area here we had mums in the fall, and you can see over winter time the mums had died, and we just left them there to decay. Now we just got to clean out some of the leaves and the old brush before we apply the fresh mulch. Tulips. So anybody that's watching this, if you know what name of these flowers are that I'm zooming in on, let us know in the comments below. You guys recognize it?
Oh, I think it's some type of a lilac.
Maybe a lilac. Can't quite remember.
Yep.
What we do is we just carefully remove the brush. You can see the soil's ready for adding mulch. That little worm in there is getting in.
Oh, is there a worm?
Yeah, there's a little worm there. He's eating up all the bad junk. You might want to be careful. There's a bush right there. What are you gonna do?
I just wanted to kind of.
You just killed it.
No, it's fine.
You see this? This is our mum coming back. I think you just killed a little bit of mum, honey.
I don't think I put one there.
Yeah, you did. That's where the old mum is.
Ew! It's a worm. Ew.
Where is he?
Look at that little guy.
Just leave him. You just chopped him.
Ugh, gross.
Got all the brush removed. Now we're going to apply our mulch. We got this from Lowe's. It's Preen Red Cedar Mulch. We want to apply about a ½ inch. This one actually looks a little bit more brown than red.
Yeah.
But you know what? Once you get a good layer down, he'll be good. Want to cover up everything with about a ½ inch to an inch thick. You don't want it too thick because it would suffocate the new growth. Now, are you going to go ahead and put in right here too?
Yeah,
because
just
we can
a little bit. I'm going to do a light layer because I want to put some flowers in here too.
I know, we can come back and remove it though later on.
Yeah.
I think we should go back and buy one more bag because it doesn't look like that's very much, does it?
And then we're just going to... We took some of the mulch out from last year, but we're leaving some in there still. It kind of looks like barbecue chicken.
Gotta speak up.
Oh, it looks like barbecue pork for a sandwich, kind of. Don't you think?
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna spread it around.
We might need 2 more bags.
Yeah, maybe. One bag isn't very much.
No, it looked like it was more in the store than what we thought. Either there, we're putting an awful thick layer in.
This is a big piece.
Yeah. I would put more right in that dirt pile so it blends in, because we can always spread it away from the dirt pile. That way it looks like it's all wholesome.
Wholesome.
This is awfully thick in that area. I'd take some of that out.